let's go through the code 1035, uncrossed lines. And for this question, it gives us two array, integer array, nums1 and nums2. It says that in the for the nums1 and nums2, if there is some kind of number in the first array equals the number in the second array, then we can have a line to connect them. And for these lines, we are not allowed to cross. So that means, for example, this if we connect 4 and 4, then we cannot connect 2 and 2, right? So it asks the maximum number of connecting lines we can draw in a way. So let's take a look. So this is number 1, right? Number one have a lot of integers. And this is number 2, it also have a lot of integers. We'll say for the index I number in nums1 and nums j in nums2, right? So we'll say the cross we can iterate. Well, we'll have also have an int dp. So dp I j, what means if we iterate from the left to right to the I index in number 1 and the j index to number j, the maximum lines which does not cross so far, right? So I'll say for number ij, right? So it will be dp I minus 1 j if we do not use this kind of number, and dp I j minus 1, right? Minus 1. So this is the minus 1, the maximum of this. And also, if the number I and the number j, they are equal, then we can have a line here, right? So we'll have another scenario that if this number they are equal, then we'll have another that will that is dp I minus 1 j minus 1 plus 1, right? So in case these two numbers are the same, we'll compare the third scenario. So in the end, we just return dp mn at the end. So let's write code for this. We'll have print m equals nums1 dot length and n equals nums2 dot length. So we'll have dp array new int. Let's have an actual index of this and plus 1. In this case, we don't need to compare the both elements. So let's therefore int I equals 1, I smaller than n plus 1, I plus, and for n j equals 1 is smaller than n plus 1 j plus. So I'll say dp I j. Well, firstly, will be max dot max dp I minus 1 j and dp I j minus 1, right? So I'll say if let's say nums1 I minus 1 equals nums2 but 2 minus 1, right? So I say dp I j will be max dot max dp I j and dp I minus 1 j minus 1 plus 1, right? That is we have an actual line between these two numbers. In the end, just we return dp m and The time complexity will be n multiplied by n, and space complexity will also be n multiplied by n.